Hello guys, today I am going to explain how to make talking avatar videos for free. I am not talking about Heijin, it is Google Flow, and it's super simple.
First, search for Google Flow in your browser, then click on the first link, click on New Project, and you'll reach this interface. Here, make sure to turn off agent mode if it's turned on. Then click on the plus icon and select Upload. Choose the avatar photo you want to use. After uploading the image, click on Add to Prompt. Now, type the kind of background you want for your avatar. I want a studio background with a dark theme, so I'll paste this prompt. You can use the same prompt if you want. I'll provide it in the description. After generating the background, it looks like this. It looks good, but I want a front view of my avatar, so I'll edit it here. And there we go. Now that the image is complete, let's go back to the main interface. Click on Characters, then click on Add from Project. Select the image we just generated and click on Add to Character. Now, give your character a name, then select a voice from the voice library. I'm using Fenrir, but you can choose whichever voice you prefer. After selecting the voice, you can also describe how you want your character to act. For now, I'm going to leave this section empty and click on Done. Now, make sure to turn agent mode back on. This is a very important step, so don't forget it. Next, add the character and the image we generated. Then paste the script that I'll provide in the description. Now, enter your character name in this exact position and paste your dialogue into this column. Make sure everything is set up correctly, then click on the arrow button. After some time, Google Flow will ask for your approval before generating the video. And look at the result.
Hello guys, today I am going to explain how to make talking avatar videos for free. I am not talking about Heijin, it is Google Flow, and it's super simple. So this is how you make talking avatar for free using Google Flow. Easy, right? But there is a watermark on the video, right? You can hide it using your channel logo.